Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view some Boxy pop-up spoilers and prices and what I'm going to be purchasing myself from Boxy Pop-Up. So if you enjoy these types of videos, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you would do me the honor, click the subscribe button. It would literally melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm not even kidding when I tell you guys that I'm so excited for Boxy Pop-Up this time around. I have a feeling that when people watch this video and see the spoilers, that Boxy Pop-Up's gonna break again. If you don't remember, I think it was probably this quarter last year, or maybe it was the winter quarter that Boxy Pop-Up, no, it was November. It was even November, and then we wound up not being able to do pop-up until December. I think that's how it was, because so many people wanted Boxy Pop-Up items that they broke it, and then they tried to redo it again, and they broke it again, and like nobody got to buy Boxy Pop-Up items. Actually, that makes more sense. Boxy Pop-Up. Let's tone it down. And it's Boxy. Too soon. Anyways, so I have a feeling that we're gonna break the site again because y'all are not ready for this, okay? These are some good spoilers, alright? Okay, so we're just gonna go down the list, and you know, I'm just gonna go down the list. And what's great about these spoilers is that they're actually showing the prices, and normally they don't show you the prices beforehand, but they're doing it now. So like, thank you for letting me know ahead of time. My bank account firmly shakes your hand. Okay, thank you. I'm just gonna back up a little bit so I can throw them up on the screen. So the first one is the iconic London Nice to Naughty eyeshadow palette, $9. Beautiful color story. I know, oh god, a $62 palette for $9. Like, steal. Also, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna purchase, by the way. So anyways, next up is the Becca Cosmetics Endless Bronze and Glow Chrissy Teigen collection. So I guess it's like a blush, highlighter, bronzer duo. It's a trio, not a three-o, it's a trio, but then I don't know if you can swirl it, I don't know. It's a $38 product, $18. This is something that I would like to try, but like not for $18, but to each their own. Next is from Juice Beauty. This is the Hydrating Mist, originally $25, and you could purchase it for $12. This is something that I know is going to be a hot item. Luxie brushes are so good. I have a lot of these Luxie brushes already. This is the Luxie Signature Rose Gold set, originally $125. You can buy it for $29. Next up from Sol de Janeiro. Love the brand. This is the Glow Motion Glow Oils, originally $35, and you can get them for $12. You have the like purpley shade here, and then you have Carnival Queen. So Master Flash and Carnival Queen. This would be something that I would definitely be interested in, except for I'm not into these. I got the Soul Body ones from ColourPop. They were just a mess, so I don't even want to deal with any of that. But if you're somebody that constantly goes to like the pool and you're out like at the lake and you want to be like a sparkly, like fantastic queen, then this is something you would be interested in. Plus Sol de Janeiro, hello, love that brand. They need to put Bum Bum on here, or Boom Boom, it's Boom Boom. Next up from Aromatherapy Associates, this is the De-Stress Mid Roller Ball, and you get 10 milliliters, and it's $18, originally $29. Next up from Teami Blends, and we see a lot of Teami on here. You guys know I'm a Teami partner. I always have my codes down below where you can save money. So this is an original $69.99 Teami Mix It 30-second portable smoothie blender, and you can get it for $49. This is actually a new product that came out back in, I want to say maybe February or March. So this is a relatively new product of theirs, and yeah, you can get it for $49 if you want a portable blender. Next up is from Bando. This is the big ceramic mug, me, myself, and coffee, $9. Originally $14. Would I buy this? No, because you can get super freaking cute mugs at TJ Maxx for like $3.99. So yeah. Next up from the Good Patch, this is the Get Balanced set, originally $30, and you can get it for $18. And then from Alex and Annie, or Ani, This is the Starfish Charm bangle. You can get it in gold or silver. I know this is like a very popular bangle brand. I know I've seen this like a million times other places, but yeah, originally $28, you can get it for $9. This is an item that I'm going to be purchasing 110%. This is from Beauty Bakery. This is the So Icy Illuminator, originally $16. You can get it for $6. So this is in frozen mini, iced mini, glazed mini, and frosted. So I don't really know what they are, but I just want to try it, so I don't know. Next up, we have from Becca Cosmetics. This is the Ocean Jewel Eye Palette, originally $35. You can get it for $18. Also from Becca, this is the Becca Cosmetics Pearl Glow Lip Tint in Rose, originally $22. You can get it for $9. This is a product that I'm like, maybe I'll buy it. I don't know. So I'm on the fence. Next up from Barogia, this is the Curl Charisma Chia plus Flaxseed Coil Custard, originally $26. You can get it for $6. Then you have from Hocus Pocus, not Hocus, but Cocus. It's the plush robe, originally $98. You can get it for $39. The back says Girl Boss for $1, and then the back for another one says, okay, but first coffee, which is super funny. But I mean, like, I don't know. Anyways, next up from Pharmacy, this is the Do It All Total Eye Cream, originally $38. You can get it for $18. And then next up from Fursali, this is the Skin Tune Blur, originally $54. You can get it for $12. This is something that I definitely want to purchase. Now we're getting into Fenty territory, you guys. This is the Fenty Beauty Avalanche All Over Metallic Powder Set, originally $99. You can get it for $24. This has been on sale on Sephora for ages, and I don't remember the price of it, but I don't think it was $24 the last time I checked. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pigments. I don't know how to play with pigments. I know you're supposed to like wet them, like dump them out and then wet them. I don't mess with that. That's just advanced for me, okay? I don't do advanced, okay? Okay. Next up, this is the Fenty Beauty Body Lava Body Illuminizer in Brown Sugar, originally $59. You can get it for $29. Same thing as the Sol de Janeiro, different brand, different formula, I'm sure. So, yeah, just a glow goddess body thing. Next up, we have the Fenty Beauty Match Sticks Match Skin Stick. Originally $25, you can get it for $12. There's a bunch of different shades. I don't really know what this item is. I have to look into it, but I am interested in trying more Fenty. Next up, Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer, originally $22. You can get it for $12. This is something I'm interested in trying. I think I might get it, but I'm not sure. And then next up, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mini Instant Retouch Primer in Soft Matte. This is the mini version, originally $16. You can get it for $9. Actually, I just bought this primer. I haven't tried it yet because I've been like obsessed with my Juno & Co. one. But I just got this. I got it because it was 30% off. So I haven't tried it yet, but I'm excited. So if you want to be twins and get the same primer, it's raining. Then yeah. Next up from Fenty Beauty, this is the Stunna Lip Paint Longwear Fluid Lip Color. You have it in the shade Unattached and Unlocked. Super pretty. I've never tried anything lip-wise except for the gloss from her, so that would be something cool to try. Next from Juice Beauty, this is the Fonto Pigments Luminous Lip Crayon, originally $22. You can get it for $6 in the shades Montera Burgundy Wine and Malibu Nude Pink, which if I do get it, it is kind of interesting. I would definitely get the Malibu Nude Pink color. Next from Kaja, and this is something that I do kind of want to try. This is the Earhart Lightweight Natural Finish Lipstick. You have it in a bunch of shades in Bay, Sweetheart, Sprung, Boo, Ride or Die, and Lover. And the other one that I'm so excited about that I'm almost positive I'm going to get, this is the Kopari Sundays Mineral Face Sunscreen SPF 30, originally $34 for $12. Kopari, amazing brand. I definitely kind of want to try this, even though I don't need it. I just freaking want it, okay? Don't judge me. So we have another Luxie brush set, and this is the complete face set, originally $80. This is going for $24, and I have a feeling this is going to be another hot item. Next from Marc Jacobs, we have the Enamored Dazzling Lip Gloss Lacquer, and you have shades Pink Parade, Electric Lights, Not Sorry, Tempt Me, Get Lucky, and Silver Surf. This is an item that I would be interested in if it wasn't $18, okay? Originally $29, selling it for $18. I ain't paying that for a gloss. No. Next from Mind Tan, this is the Natural Glow Tanning Water. Originally $34.95. You can get it for $9. I want to look up the reviews on this because this is something that I'm very, very interested in trying. Next up from Morphe, this is the Blending Baddies Brush Collection. Originally $24. You can get it for $12. This is something I would be interested in because I do really like Morphe brushes. Like, honestly, I do think that I have maybe two of these brushes. I'm not sure, but I definitely kind of want these. Next up from Morphe, we have the Highlight Plus Contour Beauty Sponge, originally $8. You can get it for $3. Honestly, $3 for a sponge. It's a good price. And then from My Tagalongs, you can get a beach set, originally $49. You can get it for $29. And then from OC, if I'm saying that correctly, Malibu, you can get the Undaria Body Polish 12 ounce, originally $48 for $9. Oh, this is something I'm 100% buying. This is from Proactive. This is the Deep Cleansing Brush, originally $40. You can get it for $12. I have a feeling this is going to go really, really fast, so you're going to see me on the website that fast, okay? Because I want this, okay? I want this. Next, from PYT Hair, the Detangling Brush. Originally $20, and you get it for $6. I don't know what this is. It looks like it has a button on it, but I don't know. Anyways, next up from Ren Clean Skincare, this is the And Now to Sleep Pillow Spray. Originally $25, and you can get it for $12. Next from Smashbox, this is the Always On Cream to Matte Lipstick, originally $24. You can get it for $12. We have the shades Not Today and Out Loud. And then from Smashbox, this is the Photo Finish Foundation Primer Light. Originally $36. You can get it for $12. I might get this because it sounds really interesting, and I've never tried a Smashbox primer other than the, I forgot what it's called. It's the like shimmery one. I cannot remember. Next up from Sunny Life, this is the Lush Mesh Beach Bag Dulce Classic, originally $45. You can get it for $39. Then from Sunny Life, this is the Scented Candle and Diffuser Set Adore, which is actually really, really pretty. Okay, it's originally $30 and you can get it for $24. It's not exactly a huge discount, but I kind of want it because I've been like redoing my house and trying to like decorate it, and I kind of just like these for decoration, honestly. I'll have to talk to my boyfriend if he'll let me buy it. Next up from Violet Boss, this is the Flamingo Eyeshadow Palette, originally $45. You can get it for $18. God dang, there's a lot of spoilers, isn't there? From Milk Makeup, this is the Kush Lip Balm, and it's originally $16. You can get it for $4. This is something I would be interested in. You can get it in the shade Bubble, Canatonic, Nug, Plush Berry, and Green Dragon. Next up from Morphe, this is the 8S Stellar Impact Highlighter Palette, originally $22. You can get it for $6, and you get 2, 4, 6, 8 different shades. Next up, this is from Kopari. This is the Tropical Glow Cleanser, originally $24. You can get it for $6. Definitely, probably gonna buy this, just saying. Then from Perricone MD, this is the Hypoallergenic Nourishing Moisturizer. It's 2 fluid ounces. Originally $69, you can get it for $18. And then from Kate Somerville, this is their Wrinkle Warrior 2-in-1 Plumping Moisturizer plus Serum. You get 50 milliliters of this. It's originally $95, and you can get it for $29. This is like really, really interesting. Something I kind of want to try, but I don't want to spend $29 considering I'm going to be like buying a ton of stuff off here. Next up from Mineral Air, this is the Complexion Starter Kit, originally $169.95. You can get it for $79. This is something that would, if I had a lot of money, I would just buy it just to like freaking test it. It's like an airbrush kit, okay? But I don't know. I wonder if they're going to sell that. Next up, we have from PYT Hair. This is the Lola Styling Toolkit in Neon Orange. Originally $550, and you can get it for $99. I would never. Next from Alamar Cosmetics, this is the Oyitos Brush Trio Volume 2, originally $18 for $6. From Mind Tan, this is the Invisible Gradual Self-Tan Lotion, 6.7 ounces for $9, originally $25.95. This is another one that I kind of want to look into because I might purchase. And then from Frank Body, this is the body cream. You get 6.76 ounces, originally $21.95. You can get it for $9. Then from Design Me, this is the Gloss.me Hydrating Treatment Mask, 250 milliliters, which is 8.5 ounces. Originally $24, you can get it for $6. And then from Hocus Pocus, this is the Hello Gorgeous LED Neon Wall Sign, originally $298, and you can get it for $79. If I had a lot of money, I would buy this just because I really want to put this in my makeup room, honestly. And then the last one, you guys, the last one, Swig Life Stemless Wine Cup. 12 ounces, originally $17.95. You can get it for $9. It comes in diamond white and it comes in ocean, and I think both of these are so cute, and I kind of want to buy one for myself but then also for Christmas gifts because they look really cute. I really like the blue, but honestly I also like white. Like I have a Yeti, it's white. I just like white, okay? But anyways, you guys, let me know, what do you plan on purchasing from BOXYPOPUP? Are you someone who is no longer subscribed to Boxycharm and you're seeing what's coming in pop-up and you just honestly want to resubscribe to Boxycharm, the base box, just so you can get involved with this? Let me know down below. What do you plan on purchasing, okay? Also, Christmas gift ideas. Hello. Plus, there's always a lot more like everyday stuff and not just makeup that people like to buy for Christmas gifts. Let me know down below. So yeah, sorry this was so long. I didn't realize there was even more spoilers than the first time I checked. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!